What's up everyone, this is Kyle from Tech.io. Right now, I want to show you something you probably haven't seen before. These are one of the best things ever invented and is a simple way to step up your office chair game. So let's check it out. So I've been using these for about 6 months now and they still work as if they're brand new. Now I must say these have come across as being very reliable, much more so than what you would typically find on your own office chair. So if you haven't ever heard of anything like this, they are pretty much the exact same wheel that you would find on a set of RollerBlades. And I'm sure you know what those are. So these have the same rubber type wheels on them with actual ball bearings inside the axles. This is just one of those simple things, there isn't a whole lot to it other than the fact that it just works. I mean, it's a rollerblade wheel for an office chair. I mean, who would have thought something so simple could have been so useful and so helpful? For example, so if you have a, let's say a really thick rug that's giving you trouble, this solves that problem. And what I can definitely recommend is that the next time you're in need of a new office mat for your office chair, skip that whole idea altogether. Don't even buy a new one. Throw out your old one and go pick up yourself a set of these rollerblade wheels for your office chair. Now most chairs these days come with 5 legs, therefore they have 5 wheels. But in the instance where you might have more than 5 legs, you're probably gonna have to buy 2 packs of these. But the good news is, you're able to find this exact same set between $30 and $35 on Amazon, while I've heard of people spending as much as $80 per set. I don't know why. I don't know if that was, maybe when they first came out. So this is my second set that I have purchased. I want to be able to show you guys how awesome these wheels really are. And second to that, I have another chair that I could pop these onto upstairs. So in the box, this just comes with the 5 wheels and some coupon or whatever, depending on what brand or version you order. I will definitely place a link below so you know where to get them at. So because of the way these wheels are designed, they're high enough up off of the ground, they're not gonna be prone to catching a bunch of lint or even hair and getting it all wound up and tangled within the gears or bearings. So something like this really solves all that. And one other thing worth mentioning here is that because of the way this bracket is designed, you can see how its frame is actually canted a little bit backward, as it definitely has a flawless flow. And I've tested this out on a couple of different surfaces, concrete, tile, wood floor, and I actually have a pretty thin rug on my wood floor that I use most of the time. So that's tried and true. And I've even taken this out into the living room where we have a thicker rug to test it out on. And I've got to say, it is pretty unbelievable how easy this thing can roll over such a thick rug. So if you're the type that has that old 70s shag rug and you've always wanted to put an office chair on top of it, well, this is your solution. Or you could get rid of the shag rug. Either way, you should still get the wheels because, these are one of my most favorite finds of all time for the office. It's also a great way to revive an old chair if you have one, or if you're needing to go buy a new office mat because the one you have is too brittle and falling apart or stained, cracking, whatever. Heck with a mat, get rid of it, go get yourself some of these wheels. You won't regret it, I promise. So hopefully you like this video. If so, be sure to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.